Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Spark US, the place where we ignite your passion for learning. I'm your host, Emily.
And I'm David. Hello to all our fantastic listeners tuning in from every corner of the globe. It is honestly the highlight of my week to be sitting here with you, Emily.
Same here, David. The energy is always amazing. So tell me, how are you feeling today? Ready to learn?
I am feeling fantastic. I had a huge breakfast, so my brain is fully charged and ready to go. How about you?
I am great, mostly because I know what we are discussing today, and it is going to be incredibly helpful.
Oh, right. It's a surprise topic today. I'm on the edge of my seat.
You should be.
Survive in English? That sounds intense, Emily. Are we talking about emergency situations?
Not emergencies, David, but daily essentials. Today is all about the conversations you must know to navigate real life. We aren't talking about textbook grammar today. We are talking about the English used on the streets.
I love that. Real English for the real world. Textbooks can sometimes feel a bit stiff, like a robot is talking.
Exactly. We are going to cover everything from getting your morning caffeine fix to buying a new outfit.
Those are things I do every single day. This is going to be a game changer for our listeners.
It definitely will be. But David, before we dive into the first scenario, we have one tiny mission for our listeners.
Yes.
That's right. If you are enjoying English Spark US, please hit that subscribe button. It helps our community grow and ensures you never miss a lesson.
And don't forget to smash that like button. It tells YouTube that you find this helpful. Plus, share this with your friends. Learning is always better with a study buddy.
Absolutely. Okay, David, are you ready to step into our first simulation?
I am ready. Where are we going? The bank? The park?
We are starting where all good days begin. The coffee shop.
Perfect. I spend half my life in cafes, but I usually just say, coffee, please.
That works, but it's a bit caveman style. So, you are at the counter. The barista looks at you. Instead of just barking, coffee, you should use the magic phrase, I would like.
I would like. Okay, so I would like a black coffee, please.
Perfect. I want can sound a little demanding or aggressive. I would like is soft, polite, and professional. It changes the whole tone of the interaction.
That makes sense. I would like a large latte. It feels much nicer to say.
Exactly. Now, once you order, the barista is going to fire a question back at you immediately. It catches a lot of students off guard.
I know this one. It's about where I'm going to drink it, right?
Spot on. The barista will ask, for here or to go? It's a super fast question.
Right. For here means I'm sitting at a table in the cafe. And to go means I need a lid because I'm leaving.
Precisely. In some countries, they say takeaway, but in the US, we almost always say to go.
So the full interaction is, I would like a coffee, please. And then, to go, please.
Short, sweet, and totally natural. You have successfully secured your caffeine.
I feel more confident already. But Emily, now that I have my coffee, I need to buy something to wear for a party tonight.
Then let's head to the clothing store.
That is always awkward. I usually just wave my hand or stand there looking confused until someone notices me.
We can do better than that. The golden phrase here is simple. Excuse me. It is the polite way to interrupt someone or get attention.
Excuse me is such a powerful little phrase.
It is. Once they look at you, you can ask for what you need. Usually it's about the size. You might see a shirt, but it's too small.
So I would ask, do you have this in a bigger size?
Close. The best structure is, do you have this in, followed by the size or color.
Ah, the do you have this in pattern.
Exactly. You can say, do you have this in medium or do you have this in blue? It is a plug-and-play sentence structure.
That is super useful. Do you have this in... I'm going to memorize that. Okay, so the clerk brings me the blue shirt in a medium.
Now, you can't just buy it. You need to check if it fits your body.
Right. I need to put it on.
So you need to ask for a specific room. Do you know what it's called?
I think I know. Is it the changing room?
That works, but in the US, we often call it the fitting room.
Fitting room, got it?
That happens to the best of us, David. Getting lost is actually a great opportunity to practice English. You need to ask a stranger for help.
That is terrifying. Approaching a stranger on the street?
It doesn't have to be. Start with our magic phrase, excuse me, then use, where is the nearest?
Where is the nearest, like, where is the nearest subway station? Or where is the nearest bank?
Perfect examples. You're not just asking, where is a bank? You're asking for the closest one.
Okay, I ask the question. But then they start talking really fast, giving me instructions.
Understanding the answer is the hard part. Listen for these 3 commands. Go straight, turn left, and turn right.
Go straight means keep walking forward, and left and right are obvious. What if it's at an intersection?
They might say, it's on the corner. That's where 2 streets cross.
It's on the corner. Okay. But Emily, sometimes I am lazy. I don't want to walk if it's 5 miles away.
Then you need to verify the distance. You should ask, is it far?
Is it far? If they say yes, I'm definitely calling a taxi.
Smart move. So now you're unlost. You have your coffee and your new shirt.
Now I want to hang out with my friends.
Invitations are an art form. You don't just want to say, come with me. It's too direct.
Right. So, how do we make it sound friendly?
We use our polite friend, would, again. Try asking, would you like to see a movie? Or, would you like to grab dinner?
Would you like to? It invites them to say yes or no comfortably.
Exactly. Or, for a close friend, you can be more casual. Do you want to get pizza?
That sounds like me.
It's casual and easy. Now imagine you are the one being asked. You want to go. What do you say?
I say yes!
If you're excited, say, that sounds great. It shows enthusiasm.
That sounds great. I like that energy. But what if I don't want to go or I have to work?
Saying no is hard. You never want to just say no. It's rude. You should say, I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't. It's soft. Should I give a reason?
Usually, yes. I'm sorry, I can't. I have to study.
Or, I'm sorry, I can't. I need to sleep.
Honesty is the best policy. Okay, next scenario. This one makes everyone nervous.
What is it?
Talking on the telephone.
Oh, I hate the phone. I can't see their face, so I panic.
Deep breath, David. There is a standard phrase for this. When they answer, you say, I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment. There is that would like phrase again. It really is everywhere.
It is the Swiss Army knife of English phrases. So you say, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Johnson.
And then they ask me when I want to come in.
Right. But maybe you are busy. You need to ask them what times are free.
How do I ask that? When are you free?
You could, but a professional way is, do you have any openings on Tuesday?
That's a good point. Like if I need to run to the pharmacy early in the morning.
Then you ask about their business hours. You can say, what are your opening hours?
What are your opening hours? Or maybe, when do you close?
Exactly. What time do you close is very common. You don't want to arrive 5 minutes too late.
That happened to me last week. I didn't ask and the doors were locked. Tragedy.
Lesson learned. Okay, David, we have covered a lot of specific tasks, but what about the moments in between?
You mean small talk?
Yes, small talk, the glue of society.
That silence is the worst. I usually just stare at my phone.
Put the phone away. Just ask a simple greeting. How are you doing?
How are you doing? It's a little more casual than how are you, right?
Yes, it feels friendlier. And the answer is usually, I'm good, thanks. And you?
It's a script we all follow. I'm good, and you.
Exactly. But if you want to actually have a conversation, you need a topic. The best topic is always the weekend.
Everyone loves talking about their time off.
So on a Monday or Tuesday, ask, how was your weekend?
Right. One-word answers kill the conversation. So I should say, it was relaxing, or it was busy.
Yes, add a detail. It was great. I went to the park. It gives the other person something to talk about.
And then I have to throw the ball back to them, right?
Exactly. Conversation is like a game of tennis. You have to hit the ball back. The best phrase for this is, how about you?
How about you? That's the magic phrase, to keep things moving.
It prevents the awkward silence from coming back.
I feel like I can handle my neighbors now.
You are ready for anything, David.
My brain is full, but in a good way. We started with coffee.
I would like a coffee and to go, please.
Then we went shopping for clothes. We learned, excuse me, and do you have this in a medium?
And don't forget the fitting room. Then we got lost outside.
Where is the nearest bank? And checking instructions like turn left or go straight.
You have a great memory, David.
I'm trying. Then we talked about hanging out with friends.
Of course. Would you like to see a movie?
And if I can't go, I say, I'm sorry, I can't. Polite, but firm.
Then we tackled the telephone. I'd like to make an appointment and asking, do you have any openings?
That one is going to save me so much anxiety. And finally, the small talk. How are you doing? And how was your weekend?
It really covers the whole day, doesn't it? From morning coffee to evening plans.
It's a survival kit for English learners.
That is the perfect way to describe it. But listening is only step one.
You have to use it. You have to open your mouth and speak.
Exactly. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. If you say, I want coffee, instead of, I would like coffee, people will still understand you.
Confidence is key. Just try. Go to a cafe today and use the English phrase, even if you're nervous.
Or just ask yourself, how was your weekend, in the mirror?
That sounds a little crazy, but hey, whatever works.
Practice is practice.
Emily, I think our time is running out for today.
Time flies when we're having fun.
Yes, we want to know. Which of these conversations do you find the most difficult? Is it talking on the phone? Is it asking for directions? Or is it making small talk with strangers?
For me, it used to be the phone calls. But tell us your story in the comments below.
We love reading your answers. It helps us plan future lessons that actually help you.
And speaking of future lessons, make sure you have joined the English Spark US family.
If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button now. We are building a huge community of learners here.
And turn on the notifications so you never miss Emily and me chatting away.
Oh, absolutely. Next week is going to be even bigger, but that's a secret for now.
You always leave us with a mystery.
Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. We hope these phrases help you navigate your day with confidence.
Thanks for listening. Go out there, order that coffee, buy that shirt, and speak English like a pro.
Have a wonderful day, stay curious, and happy talking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on English Spark US.
Bye-bye.